In Onshape, you can display dual dimensions on a drawing. There are a couple of ways to do this. For example, you can display dual dimensions for individual dimensions. I can click on a dimension, and this will open up something called the dimension palette. If you put your mouse over the dimension palette, it will expand. In the bottom right-hand corner is a control for dual dimensioning. By default, it is set to single units for the drawing. You could change it to single units where you display a different unit, or we can choose the bottom option for dual units. I will click on that and then deselect everything. And you can see that the dimension now appears in dual dimensions with the secondary dimension above the primary dimension. Another way is that you can display dual dimensions for the entire drawing. To do this, go to the right-hand side of the screen, and you have your Drawing Properties panel. I will click on it in order to expand it, and the first tab is for Units and Precision. Here we have our drawing units, which is in millimeters, but then we have a section for dual dimensions. And with this option, we could show dual dimensions. There's another option here to show the unit for the dual dimensions. You'll notice now it is showing inches in the brackets. I'm going to turn off that option. And you can also control the dimension location. Right now it's set to top. You could change the dual dimension to appear below the primary dimension. And you also have a control for what you want to display the dual dimension in. Here I could choose inches or inches fractional or feet in inches. I'm going to leave the default inches. And when you are happy with your settings, you can collapse the Drawing Properties panel again, and you have dual dimensions displayed on your drawing.